Alright, what's up, crew? For generations, the Toyota 4Runner has been the undisputed king of rugged do-anything SUVs. But for 2025, Toyota didn't just give it an update. They unleashed a new final boss, the Trailhunter. The TRD Pro is now a high-speed desert runner chasing raptors. But the Trailhunter? This is the one that doubles down on the classic 4Runner spirit. The tough, trail-conquering beast we all fell in love with, but jacked up on a whole new level of modern tech. So what makes a Trailhunter? Toyota basically threw the ultimate off-road catalog at it. It's rocking a sophisticated set of Old Man Emu shocks that give it a serious lift, and it sits on these sick bronze wheels wrapped in beefy 33-inch Toyo all-terrain tires. The whole stance is wider, more aggressive, and just screams, "Get out of my way." This thing is a heavyweight champ, too, tipping the scales at over 5,500 pounds, thanks to its standard hybrid powertrain and a hardcore ARB roof rack. Under the hood is Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system. It's a turbo 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor, cranking out 323 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. It's got punch, but let's talk about that giant snorkel climbing up the side. It's designed to grab cleaner air in the dust, but when you step on the gas, it makes this wild sound. The original review called it, well, let's just say it's like a post-Taco Bell symphony, a hilarious, whooshing fart noise that you'll either love or laugh at every single time. Speaking of honest takes, if you're enjoying this deep dive, do me a solid and smash that subscribe button. We drop real, no-fluff reviews like this all the time, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, you'd think a rig this tall and heavy would handle like a boat on the road, right? That's the old 4Runner story. This new Trailhunter is surprisingly composed. The wider track keeps it stable, and while it's no sports car, it doesn't feel sketchy or unpredictable on the pavement. It's a massive improvement. The 0 to 60 time is 7.4 seconds, which is respectable for a beast this size, and that new 8-speed transmission is a total game-changer. No more screaming engine on the highway. Inside, things are way better. The seats are more comfortable and the controls finally make sense, with all the off-road buttons grouped together logically. It's a functional, modern cockpit built for adventure. The only small quirk is that the hybrid battery raises the cargo floor a bit, but there's still a ton of space back there for all your gear. But let's be real, you don't buy a Trailhunter for grocery runs. You buy it for the trails. We took it to an insane off-road park, and this thing is an absolute monster. Steep climbs that look impossible, it walks right up them. Deep sand and thick mud, it doesn't even flinch. Those Old Man Emu shocks just soak up everything, making the ride incredibly smooth even on brutal terrain. It's so good, you can even catch some air, and it lands with total grace. This is where the Trailhunter truly earns its name and proves it's a legit turnkey off-road weapon. The big question, the price. It's steep, hovering around the 70 grand mark. That's a lot of cash. But what you're getting is a factory-built overlanding machine that's fully warranted and ready to conquer the world right off the showroom floor. For the person who wants a turnkey beast without the headache of aftermarket builds, the Trailhunter might just be the perfect answer. Want to see more rigs like this get pushed to their absolute limits? Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell cranked. We have a ton of epic content on the way, and trust me, you'll want a front row seat for it.